So, okay, how long have you struggled with erectile dysfunction?
Oh gosh, it's been kind of hit and miss for probably 30 years, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I'd have to look and see how long prescription wise, but
Yeah. Did you
I
struggle with it
maybe about
before the
3.
prescriptions, do you think, or?
A little bit, not too much. I decided to start taking something, when I thought maybe there was issues that between us, me and my wife, and
Yeah.
so I thought, well, might as well try that.
Yeah. Great. What have you tried before coming to Happy Valley Clinic?
I tried Viagra, tried Cialis.
Mm-hmm.
I tried taking some medication that is actually Clomid. It's
Mhm.
actually more geared towards women, but in men it increases testosterone without having to take testosterone.
Mm-hmm.
And took that for a while. Felt like it was, doing something, but I ended up having a blood clot in my leg.
Oh, wow.
And that was a side effect of Clomid for men, was blood clots. And so I had to go do a DVT, and they had to clean out the veins and whatever. And so I had to stop taking that.
Wow.
And so consequently, I won't take testosterone for ED because that would be a problem.
Yeah. Okay. And like, how did you decide to go with Happy Valley Clinic?
I went to Wasatch Medical.
Uh-huh.
It looked like I was in a shop that I was just a number going through, and then I called and talked to Carrie and asked her a few questions, came here and talked to you and whatever, and I just felt like it was a more comfortable atmosphere. It wasn't like up at Wasatch there was 15 people sitting in the waiting room, and they all had replied to a message, and I felt like I was going to get more personal attention and whatever.
Wonderful. Well, we're glad that you came here. Let us help you. So what caused you to choose focused shockwave therapy instead of other treatments?
Well, in talking with you, I saw that, just the normal wave therapy may not be as effective as focused shockwave. And so I just decided to maybe go with a better treatment or more accurate treatment versus something, because previous, when I went to Wasatch Medical, it was, we'll do the, I don't know what their wave therapy is called.
Radial acoustic.
Acoustic wave therapy. And then they said if that didn't work, they would do a more like focus wave. And so I thought I might as well do the right thing that they would have done after the fact.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I decided to come here.
Awesome.
Do that.
Awesome. Was the process painful?
No, not at all. I mean, there was times when you get a little bit in areas that might be a tiny bit, but no, it wasn't painful.
Yeah.
I mean, and you want to feel some of that shock wave versus not feel it. So
yeah,
but not painful to go through.
Good. So for you, what were your results? Or what did you face before, and then what's been the kind of the process and the results for you?
There was times when me and my wife would be having sexual relations, and I wasn't able to sustain the erection long enough.
Mm-hmm.
And that got to be frustrating. Even at times with taking pills, it still was not effective enough. And so I wanted to try something that would make that more effective. I wasn't necessarily saying I don't want to take pills, because I never had any real side effects from taking the pills, but
Yeah.
I wanted to see if I could do something, so maybe I wouldn't have to, or it would make that even better, so that's why I went for that, and it seems to have worked. I think there still is a little bit of time, but it seems to have worked. I haven't used the pills in the last probably month or so, month and a half, and haven't really had any issues with not being able to follow through with our sexual time, so.
Well, that's wonderful. That's awesome. That's awesome. Were you happy with your results?
So far, yeah.
Yeah, great, great. Was your wife happy with your results?
I guess she hasn't commented that she was happy with that, with things, but I think she thinks that it's been a good thing.
Good, good. What has Happy Valley Clinic brought back into your marriage?
Maybe a little bit more confidence that we don't have to rush or worry that, okay, maybe it's gonna work this time or not work this time.
Mm-hmm.
There's more confidence.
That's awesome. That's awesome. What do you think about Happy Valley Clinic's process, staff, and your overall experience?
I think that you've tried to do your best. Everybody's been kind and helpful, and when the procedures were done, they were done to my satisfaction, and things were taken care of.
From your experience and the results that you've had, would you recommend Happy Valley Clinic?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. If somebody asked me where they thought the treatment would be good or whatever, I would definitely
Super.
recommend.
Thank you.